Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Currency Universe English. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the Iranian Rial notes which I have with me presently. The currency of Iran, as I've already said, is called the Iranian Rial, and these are some of the notes which I have with me presently in my collection. So without any further ado, let's check out all these notes one by one. And if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel to check out many interesting currency videos of various countries. So coming on to the first note which I have with me here is the 200 Iranian Rial note. And the 200 Rial note looks something like this, and on the front we can see there's a mosque which is being depicted here, and everything is written in Arabic on this side. The back side, this is the back side of the note. It is showing people farming, and here you can see Islamic Republic of Iran is being written, Bank Markazi Iran, and 200 Rial. So this is a very old note, although it's in uncirculated condition. Nowadays the Iranian value has dropped very drastically due to various sanctions imposed by the Western countries. So this 200 Rial note which I have with me has got no intrinsic value at all, but it may have some collector's value if you get it through collectors. Okay, so this is the 200 Iranian Rial note. Coming to the next note which I have with me presently is the 500 Iranian Rial note, which looks something like this sort. And on the front again everything is written in Arabic, and here we can see people who are praying here. Okay, and this is the back side of the note, where it is showing the University of Tehran, and this side English is being written here all across the note. So all these currency notes of Iran are paper based banknotes. Okay, and one more thing, the ISO code of Iranian Rial is called the IRR. The ISO code is the short form which is internationally accepted, and in Iran's case it is called the IRR. So here we have the next note we have. This is the 1000 Iranian Rial note, and here we can see Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, who is the supreme leader of Iran. And again, this is the back side of the note. This is the backside of the note, as you can see here. Again, English is written here, and here you can see the Omar Mosque and Dome of the Rock, which is in Jerusalem. Okay, so this is the 1000 Iranian Rial note, which looks something like this, and again it's a paper based note. One more thing I wish to say you here is that the Iranian Rial note is highly devalued right now because of various sanctions, as I've already said. So if you bring one United States dollar to Iran, you will be getting around 42,000 Iranian Rial. So just imagine, just with $1 you will be getting more than 42,000 Iranian Rial notes. Okay, and if you bring one Indian rupee to Iran, you'll get more than 500 Iranian Rial. So this has been devalued very badly. Okay, so as to say. Anyways, coming on to the next note, this one here is the 2000 Iranian Rial note, and on the front again everything is written in Arabic, and it's depicting Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini again. Okay, so this is the front side of the note, and this is the back side of the note, where it's depicting the Kaaba, which is in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. This is a very holy place of the Islamic people, and here you can see the Central Bank of the Islamic Republic of Iran issues this banknote. Coming on to the next note, this is the 10,000 Iranian Rial note, and this is the green in color and looks something like this. This is the front side of the note, where you can see Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini again, and then again everything is written in Arabic, so I cannot say what is being written here since I don't understand Arabic. I'm sorry. And this is the back side of the note, where you can see it's depicting the tomb of Hafez, which is in Shiraz. Okay, and the 10,000 here is written in two places, and again the Central Bank of the Islamic Republic of Iran is being depicted here, and this is a security strip to prevent counterfeiting of this 10,000 Iranian Rial banknote. The next note which I have with me presently is the 50,000 Iranian Rial note. So this is the 50,000 Iranian Rial note, which looks something like this, and again on the front we have Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, who is the supreme leader of Iran, and then this is the 50,000 written in Arabic here, and there's a security strip here, and these dot marks I believe are for the blind people who can touch this and know that this is a 50,000 Rial note of Iran. Okay, and this is the back side of the note, which looks something like this, and it's English and Arabic is being written here, and it is again depicting the University of Tehran. So this is the 50,000 Iranian Rial banknote of Iran. Okay, the next note which I have with me is the 100,000 Iranian Rial. So the 100,000 Iranian Rial banknote looks something like this, and again we have Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini on the front side here. And then again 100,000 is being written here, as you can see on the left top corner. And there are 4 dots here for the blind people to depict, to know that this is a 100,000 real note, and the security strip is almost on the middle side. The back side of the note looks something like this. This is very delicate printing and intricate printing to prevent counterfeiting of the note. And here we can see the tomb of Sadi, which is in Shiraz place, okay. And again the Central Bank of the Islamic Republic of Iran is being written here. So this is the 100,000 Iranian Rial banknote. The next one which I am showing to show you is the 5 toman note. Actually this toman has been introduced because the Iranian Rial banknotes are growing in size. So in order to lessen the zeros, so they have denominated toman here. As you can see here, this is actually a 50,000 Rial note, but all the other zeros have been removed. So as you can see here, this triangle is the 5 and there are 4 zeros, okay. These zeros have been removed to make it 5 toman. If you see the back side again, you can see just the 5 is written here and the 4 zeros are being shown lightly here, okay. So this 50,000 note which I had shown you previously and the 5 toman note here, these are of the same value. This is the 50,000 and this is the 5. All the zeros have been removed. So don't confuse between Rial and toman. They are the same thing. Just in toman 4 zeros have been removed. Always remember that, okay. So this is the front side. Again we can see Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini here on the front side. This note looks very beautiful because it's pinkish in color and there are lot of fine delicate printings here to prevent counterfeiting of the note. So on the back side this looks something like this, and it's showing the tomb of Hafiz in Shiraz. And the back side everything is written in English here. The next note which I have with me presently is the 10 toman note, or you can say the 100,000 Rial note. So the last note which I had shown you previously, this is the 100,000 Rial note of Iran, and this is the 10 toman note of Iran. So here you can see the 10 is brightly shown here and the 4 zeros have been subdued here, okay. So this is the 100,000, this is the same 100,000, but the name has been changed to toman. If you check out the back side of this note, you can see here the 10 is written here and the 4 zeros have been written in light color. The 10 is here. So always remember this 100,000 Rial and the 10 toman, they are of the same value. So in case you go to Iran and someone says that you pay me 10 toman worth of something, you have to pay him 100,000 Rials, okay. So these are all the currency notes of Iran which I have with me presently, and let's check out these notes under UV light. So what they look like, we'll see all these notes one by one under UV light, okay. So let's get started again. So guys, that was all about the Iranian Rial. So these are all the notes of the Iranian Rial which I have with you presently. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because we will be seeing many more interesting currency videos of various countries. So I'll be back with a new video very soon. Until next time, do take care of yourself properly, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.